Good morning, Philippines. This is Joel, Kuya Joel again. This is week 2 of our travel vlog. We are here at Panglao International Airport, Bohol City, Philippines. And papunta kaming Davao City, Philippines. See you there.
At this moment, please.
Hi, Brother Dodong. Have you been here before in Davao City, Philippines? Yes. Well, ayun na. So, I'm here, Joel, Kuya Joel again. Tutur ko kayo sa sa family farm. Let's enjoy everything here. Come on. Sama tayo. Ito yung dalawang car ko. Iniwan ko dito sa Pilipinas. Nissan Pro 4X. And right now, harvest kami ng coconut, bibenta. Para magkapera naman si Kuya Joel. Pasal pa tayo kami. Ito yung the other one. Ito yung isang sasakyan ko. Isuzu D-Max. Ito yung mangustin. Nag-flowering pa lang. Nag-umpisa pa lang mag-flower. Hopefully by September, na yan, malalaki na yan, hinog na yan. This is mangosteen. Farther, ito yung mga coconut trees. Actually, it's about like 5 hectares yung dito. Ito yung lanzones tree. Wala pa rin bunga, flowering pa rin. Ito yung lanzones tree. Wala pa rin bunga. Hopefully soon, magkakaroon ng fruits. Ito tayo. Pasal tayo rito. Ito, baka may poison ivy, delikado. Ikot lang tayo. Ito yung durian tree. Pang to siya, 1,500 tinanim namin bago. I think it's puyat. Yung kapatid ko kasi na gano'n ito. Durian tree. Isang linya yan, puro durian tree. Dito naman tayo that's the mango. Mango tree. Malalaki na siya pero hindi siya nag-produce ng fruit ngayon. And ito yung rambutan. Ilang trees to, marami din. Ito, rambutan. Hanggang sa baba, rambutan yan. Pero hindi siya fruit bearing ngayon. I don't know. About to siya, 5 hectares. And ito yung pamana sa amin ng aming magulang. my parents. They work hard for it. And yun, let's enjoy yung ano natin dito. So, we miss it, but mamimiss namin ito. Mamimiss ko kasi from time to time binibisita ko ito. Before. But now nasa Canada na, wala, mahirap. At ito tayo. We're visiting on our farm. I miss it very, very much. By then, bye-bye. See you later. Kuya Joel.
Oh, nag-record na. Kumusta po tayo? Dito na naman si Kuya Joel. Dito sa Chimas by the Sea, Samal Island, Davao del Norte. I-enjoy natin dito. Maganda yung place, fresh air. Overnight kami dito. I-enjoy natin. God bless. Bye-bye. Kuya Joel again here. Pasal-pasalan dito sa beach line gabi after the dinner. So we're here to enjoy. Fresh na fresh yung hangin. Maganda talaga dito pag sa beach. Let's enjoy life. Let's get rid of all the stresses in life. Let's enjoy it while we still can. Ito yung Kuya Joel, nagsasabing enjoy life 2024. Hi, good morning. Dito pa rin kami sa Chimas by the sea along dito sa Samal Island. I wake up early kasi natulog ako kagabi ng maaga together with the mga katropa. Today is June 5, 2026 and it's It's my mom's birthday. My mom, which is nasa heaven na. I remember it last year. Umuwi kami rito kasi nagkasakit nga siya. We take good care of her. Eventually, uwi din kami sa Canada kasi nga may mga plane ticket na. Umuwi kami with a heavy heart. Alam namin na si nanay ko is very, very weak. Yung time na yun, we need to go home kasi dahil sa work. And nung dumating na kami sa Canada is like a day after she died. It's sad, but life must go on. And andito na kami, and it's her birthday today. It's just commemorating my mom's legacy. We'll be celebrating her like birthday. Supposedly 86 na siya ngayon eh. Wala na, ganun talaga buhay. So, kaya nga i-enjoy lang natin. Life is fragile and life is too short. Dito nga kami nga na nag-enjoy. Maya-maya lang maliligo kami sa dagat. And sabi ko nga before, sa start ng vlog ko is I'm not an expert, but I'm willing to listen. Comment lang kayo sa baba kung ano yung gusto nyo, ano yung mga situations nyo. Maybe I could help. But yun lang yung ano natin is magtulungan tayo kasi ang buhay naman is maganda. Life has meaning and life has a purpose. For now, it's a good morning for everybody, lahat tayo. Just enjoy life. 2026. Bye-bye! Hi! Andito, liligo si Kuya Joel. Ay, tayo mo maligo. Enjoy! Come on, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hello mga ka-troops, mga ka-Joel. Check out na kami dito sa Chimas by the sea along Samal Island. Talaga na-enjoy namin yung overnight stay. We're going home. Good evening mga ka-Joels. We just finished celebrating my mom's 86th birthday. She is now in heaven. And this is week 2. Dami naming napuntahan sa travel na ito for this week. And we just go to the Philippine Eagle where makikita mo yun doon ang pinakamalaking eagle sa buong mundo. The monkey eating eagle. That's where we go there. And pumunta rin kami sa Bamboo Resort, or just swimming pool, good food. And just these 2 days, Thursday and Friday, we went to the beach, which I already shown you. Chimas by the seaside, and it's really fun. I hope you enjoy my vlog for the 2nd week and watch for more for the 3rd week. We're still here in Davao City and hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give me a comment and a thumbs up. And if you have not yet been, wala pa kayo nakasubscribe, just subscribe. Let's enjoy this trip mga ka-Joels. God bless and bye-bye.
Hi guys, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Oh, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.